Hey guys, welcome back again. Today in today's video I'll be showing you how to make chocolate buttercream. Yes, this is very easy to make, and also how to make chocolate cake. Yes, this cake you can use it to wrap around your buttercream cake as I did on this cake. So feel free to watch this video to the end. Let's dive into the main thing. For the buttercream, you need 500 grams of icing sugar, 250 grams of margarine, half cup of cocoa powder, and half tablespoon of vanilla flavor. You can also use chocolate flavor if you want. So feel free to bring out your margarine from the wrap and you start creaming a little. Make sure to sieve your icing sugar. Take your time to sieve your icing sugar to avoid lumps entering your buttercream. Cream your margarine a little and you start adding in your icing sugar bit by bit as you cream. Add in your half cup of cocoa powder. Level it and you add into your sieve. Sieve right inside your buttercream. Add half tablespoon of flavor, that's your vanilla flavor, and your cream. If it's looking so thick, drop little water, and that is all. Our buttercream is ready. This is our chocolate buttercream, pretty done and ready. Let's decorate our cake. Crumb coating is so important when you're decorating cake, both with butter icing and fondant. It helps you to return back the cake crumbs, not to affect the second coating when you're doing that. For the chocolate cage, I'm using dark chocolate bar cut into pieces, and you put in a little pot or a little stainless plate. Place a frying pan on the heat with little water, and you place your little plate with chocolate right inside. Please don't allow any atom of water to enter the chocolate plate to avoid your chocolate getting stuck. Right now it's time for the second coating. Take your time and you add your buttercream generously. Spread it out and you go around the cake. If you don't want to use the piping bag, this is another way of decorating with just your spatula. Yes, but to be sincere with you, the easiest is the piping method. This one is a little bit strict, but it's still okay. For the top piping, I added extra icing sugar more to make the buttercream so thick for the top piping and decoration. If you're in this channel, you know how we do this. I just add little hot water to your decoration comb to make it hot, and you use your kitchen towel to clean off the water, go around, and you get your beautiful design. And that is all. If you have not tried this, feel free to try this. This is very lovely and beautiful. The outcome is so amazing, as you can see. For the chocolate, add little water to the fry pan, place your chocolate and you stir till everything is well melted. Pour it out in a little leather or a piping bag. For the chocolate cake, I need to measure the height of this cake to be at a safer side. I'm using baking paper. I will measure the baking paper, cut exactly the measurement I got, an extra 2 inches at the top. I'm using the little chocolate to hold my baking paper, not to be removing, for me to be able to get the right measurement for the chocolate cake. Right now I'll pierce with little toothpick and I will start pressing as I draw my line. Look at that. This is the way I create my own chocolate. With this, you can create a different design of your choice. The main thing is before 5 minutes, the chocolate is well dried, so you can place it on your cake to get that beautiful chocolate cake design. After going front, I will still draw back to create the beautiful design I want. Like I said before, you can create your own design the way you want it. Feel free to design what you want with this. So right now I will pipe. This is the piping bag I'll be using. I will add in my nozzle, cut it out and pour the remaining buttercream. We'll use this for the top and the little body side. I'll be decorating also. Okay, it's time to place our chocolate cake. Lift it and place on your cake and you remove the baking paper gently. Look at that. Just gently. That's all. So beautiful. Imagine, just look at that. Please feel free to try this. I know you'll come back to thank me later. This is so beautiful. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipe. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, and I do different pastries I know you will love. Feel free to be a part of this family by only clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification to be getting alerts of my new video. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting alerts of my new video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. Feel free to like this video. Feel free to share to your friends and family. Look at that. So I'll be placing little golden balls to it to bring out that beautiful design. Just look at that. Our cake is out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you so much. Bye.